Hey YouTube, this is the unboxing of the JG AK47 Tactical. It comes in a, I bought it from Amazon, but it comes in a hitguns.com box. I just got this, so just walked in the door and it was here, so. Just an airsoft basics, how to use like the high cap magazines and stuff. Hitguns.com. Alright, first thing I noticed on the box, it says A47, it's the AK47. Alright, comes with a manual, little targets, some BBs, which I've heard just not to use these things. They're made to break the gun. So personally, I'm not going to be shooting these. What's next? We got the tactical handrail, which is fully metal. Let's see. Battery charger. Sling. Heard it's not too nice. 1500 battery. Heard it takes like 3 hours to charge. The magazine, ABS plastic, really good. Winding tool for the magazine. This is just to help you load it faster. On the bottom, it's got a little crank to help you load it. And then we have the gun itself. Look at that. Oh. Also, it's pretty heavy. It also comes with unjamming rod, and not sure what this is. But I'll do a review on this later. So far, yeah.